In this video, I'm going to show you how to deposit money into Pocket Option using a debit card. Now, before I do anything in this video, I want to be completely transparent because this process will only work in certain regions. But I'm going to show you how to check if your region actually does allow you to use a debit card in order to deposit money onto Pocket Option. So again, the first thing you want to do is you want to open up Pocket Option and make sure you are logged into your account. Go to the left menu and select over here where it does say Finance. Then go ahead and select on the option that does say deposit. You will now notice that in the top over here, you need to go ahead and select on your country/region. So for this video, I just selected on Mexico, and then you will notice that we will actually get the option to deposit money using a Visa debit card right over here. However, not all regions and countries actually allow this. Some of them strictly prohibited this, so it really does depend on your location. For example, if you're in the United Kingdom, then that's actually good news for you because you can actually go ahead and use a Visa MasterCard in order to deposit money. But unfortunately, if you're in a country like the United States, then you will notice that that option will not appear and you will not be able to go ahead and deposit money using your debit card. So it'll only work depending on your region. But if you are in a region where it actually does allow you to use your debit card, then all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on Visa MasterCard just like so. And then from here, you guys can go ahead and actually start depositing money. And you will need to go ahead and verify your profile if you haven't already. And then it's typically going to ask you for your address and stuff like that. So just keep that in mind before you actually start verifying your profile. Unfortunately, I'm in an area where I can't use my debit card, but you might be in an area where it actually does allow you to use your debit card. So make sure to be on the lookout. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.